everyone, as promised, we'll be showing you how to make face washes using our DIY beauty box. So let's begin. These are the instructions. We'll be showing you how to make walnut face wash and orange peel face wash using this box. These are the tags, we'll be using them later. So first we'll be taking out the ingredients for orange peel face wash. So let's start. We'll be first taking the face wash base. This is our sulfate free and paraben free face wash base. So we'll first pour the entire bottle of the face wash base in a small container. So the beauty of this box is that you don't have to measure out anything. Everything is pre-measured. So you just need to pour the entire bottle into the container. Now we'll be adding the orange peel powder to the base. Once again, everything is pre-measured, so we'll be adding the entire jar of the orange peel powder to the base. Now stir it slowly. Lastly, we'll be adding the saffron fragrance oil. We'll add the entire bottle of saffron fragrance oil to the base. Now stir it well. Make sure that the orange peel powder gets mixed completely in the base. That's it, your orange peel powder exfoliating face wash is ready to use. We can pour this face wash into the face wash base bottle, and that's it. Now we'll be taking out the ingredients required to make walnut face wash. This is the face wash base, which is sulfate free and paraben free. Then the walnut powder. It's walnut shell powder, which is great for exfoliation. And then the almond fragrance oil. So once again, we'll pour the entire bottle of the face wash base in a small container. Now let's add the walnut powder to the base. Since it is pre-measured, we will be adding the entire jar of the walnut powder to the base. Now stir slowly. Lastly, we will be adding the almond fragrance oil. We will be adding the entire bottle of the almond fragrance oil to the base. Now mix it thoroughly. Your walnut face wash is ready to use. Now you can just pour it into the empty face wash base bottle. That's it.